Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. I got a birthday gift here for the wife, and it is an Apple Watch, and it comes in this really long, foot-long box. And here in about a week when she opens it, if she likes it, I'm going to make a tutorial review video on opening the box and pairing it with your actual iPhone app. If she doesn't like it, well, you'll never see this video because this video will not exist. I won't make a tutorial on how to remove it from the box and pair it up. So hopefully she likes it. All right, YouTubers, here it is, the Apple Watch. We've got the 4 series, and we've got the gold aluminum case, pink sand sport band 40mm, which you can see on the back side right there. And these little tabs here, just go ahead and undo them, open them up. Oh, pretty cool design inside. And looks like you've got 2 separate boxes. There's the design inside the actual box. Pretty neat. And the smaller of the 2 boxes is your band. Set that aside. The big box is your watch. Go ahead and open this up. And looks like you've got, ooh, nice, the watch itself right there. And inside this portion looks like you have a charging block and your charging cord. From here I'm going to just pull this out. This is really neat. It kind of looks like it's in a really nice fabric case, which is neat. Just push it up and out. Be careful, you don't want to drop this or break this. Ooh, really shiny. There it is. Really neat. On the back side, right there. I'll just kind of set that back in that little protective case, and I will open the band. So there's the inner portion, and looks like we just open it up, and inside there you can see the band. And it looks like you have 2 of these, and depending on what size you are, you have 2 options. So smaller wrist, go with the smaller band. Larger wrist, go with the larger band. In our case, we're going to go with the smaller, so I'm going to press the larger band back into its protective portion here, and I'll grab the front part. Got a little protective piece there, plastic, little sticker, and what I'm going to do now is insert. This is really neat. As you can see, this slides through that little groove there, okay? And you see little connection pieces there. Again, just be careful, slide it through, and it locks right in place. So that is helpful, and you will insert this accordingly. Neat. So what we'll do now is pull out the charging block and the charging cord. We are going to charge it for a couple hours. See you in a little bit. Real quick, inside the actual band case or box are all the instructions for your actual installation process of your band. And in regards to the actual charging cable, this is uniquely engineered, and it is different from your actual charging cable for your Apple iPhone or tablet. So I'm going to slowly USB port on one end, and on the opposite end is this little circular block here. Has a plastic sticker there. Just go ahead and peel that off. Be careful as you do it. Again, you just don't want to harm any of this as you pull this out of the box. So, pretty big sticker. It goes around the entire radius on the sides, as well as the top portion and the bottom portion. And there it is. And what happens is, on the back side, you connect it like that. One side has an indent, as you can see here. The other side is flat. The indent goes around the actual back portion of your Apple Watch, and it is a magnet. From here, USB port into the actual charging block, And let's head to the outlet. And in the event that you try to turn it on when it is not charged, you will get this: low battery to continue connect Apple Watch to its charger. So we're at the outlet now, and we are going to plug it in, and this is what you will get. As you can see, it's low on charge, and we're going to allow it to charge for a couple hours. In the meantime, while that Apple Watch charges, you got a couple instructional guides here. You've got the band again, and you will need to install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Then open the Apple Watch app to pair your devices. And you also have your Apple Watch user guide, and a lot of information there on both front and back. On the back side of this is some cool information, and we just recommend reading through as much of this as you allow your Apple Watch to charge. Alright YouTubers, the very first thing you should do is download the Apple Watch app on your phone, and in the event that you already have the app downloaded on your phone and your Apple Watch is within close proximity of your phone, the actual app should trigger an alert to assist you in opening the app to begin the pairing process. So once you're at this point, you will turn on your Apple Watch. You will select the information circle in the bottom right corner. From here, you will select your language, and you have several options. We are going to select English. Set language to English on Apple Watch. From here, choose your region. We are going to select United States. Next, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. And we've already got that. We will select that and start pairing. As you can see, they are trying to communicate with each other. As far as the phone app, put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder below, which is right here. However, I'm not actually going to put it on. Notice how this becomes a camera. You can see through here, you see the actual table. However, I'm just going to scroll it over the actual Apple Watch itself, and as you can see here, update your Apple Watch. To finish pairing, your Apple Watch must be running the latest version of Watch OS. So I will sit that down, and you have the option Update Now. We will select that. And the latest version is the 5.2.1. Scroll down and download and install. From here, you will read all of this and get to the bottom and select Agree. At this point, it is downloading to the watch. And a few things it is requesting to install the update: make sure Apple Watch is on its charger and in range of your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi. So what I'll do is I'll really quick go plug this into the charger. Alright YouTubers, quick update. When we initially hooked the Apple Watch up to its charger and began the install, it said it was going to take about 8 hours. So we were a little bummed out about that. However, we had no choice but to wait. But about 40 minutes into it, the actual upload canceled, which was lame. So what we did is we tried it again, and we had really good luck the second time. It only took about 6 minutes. So what we'll do, we'll continue the process and continue pairing. Select English, and that's all still the same, United States. All right. And we'll see what happens. Now that we have the software up to date, it should work perfectly. From here, to finish pairing, your Apple Watch must be running the latest version of iOS, which we've already done that. Update now. Checking. Software is up to date, as you can see here. Set up Apple Watch. Next, on which wrist do you wear Apple Watch? We are going to select left. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read those. If you disagree, disagree. If you agree, select Agree, continue forward. Workout route tracking, enable route tracking. We will do that, sure. And from here, the shared settings, Apple Watch shared settings with iPhone for location, My iPhone, Siri, analytics. Select OK, and create a passcode. And we're not actually going to create a passcode now. Set up activity, we're going to skip this step. And additional info, emergency SOS, we'll continue. Install available apps, we will choose later. And now they're talking to each other. Apple Watch basics, you can see It is in the loading process and your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done syncing so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. So again, YouTubers, we're kind of going in this blind. We don't have much knowledge and education on the Apple Watch. So we're just kind of treating it like you would, pulling it out of the box. Hopefully most of you know a lot more about the Apple Watch than we do. However, it's loading. As you can see the time, it's taking quite a few minutes. It hasn't been 10 minutes yet, however. It's almost done. And again, initially when we were updating our iOS, it took about 40 minutes and then canceled, and then we selected it again and just kind of watched it upload real fast, and then we went to bed. And now this is the next day. From here, check it out. Welcome to the Apple Watch app, and on the actual watch, your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. All right. Neat. So from here, we are just going to become really familiar with it. I really don't know. Well, that's neat. You can make yourself notes. That is the home button, I guess. Get your iTunes, and that's pretty neat.